Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is going to be a haul video. This is what we used to call the Autumn Winter Catalogue, but they're calling it now the August December Mini Catalogue. And as the name suggests, it will go live in August. It actually goes live on the 4th of August. As a demonstrator, we could pre-order on the 1st of July. And I did that and it came earlier this week, so I thought I'd just jump on and show you what I got. So this is the catalogue. I can't show you the inside of the catalogue. If you want a copy of this, then please just jump onto my website and click on the contact me form, and you can request one that way, and I will send one out to you ASAP. So they're sitting downstairs all wrapped up ready to go, so if you want one, please don't hesitate to ask. So I love the cover though, don't you? It's just so pretty and it's Christmassy, and I know it's July, but it's never too early for Christmas. So let's put that aside and let's have a look at some nice yummy goodies. So I'm going to show you some stamp sets I got with matching dies, and this is the first one, Warm Hugs, and these are the dies that go with them, and these are actually the coffee sleeves that go with them. And let me show you the rest of the suite actually, because there's actually some little coffee cups as well and some hangers as well that go with it. So let me show you. This is a little carrier, as you can see here, and you make it up and it'll hold 4 little coffee cups, and here are the coffee cups in here. So let me show you this, if I can get them open. I haven't seen them myself, so we're going to see them first together. There you go. Some little coffee cups, as you can see here, and the matching lids, and whoops, trying to get them back in there, and then they'll go in the little carrier, and then you can stamp and make the sleeves and do all sorts of wonderful embellishments with that set. So that's that one. Then you've got this one here, which is Snowflake Wishes, and you've got this gorgeous die set to go with it. Look at those dies. I mean, you could cut this, could go for any time of the year, but you could actually cut this and then cut off little pieces of this and, you know, tuck it behind things. It would just look like little bits of doily that are peeking out. So it's really useful, really pretty. You can see there, it's a photopolymer set. Then we have this one called Wishes and Wonder, and I got it because I like the sleigh, and you of course get the matching dies to go with it. And then I've got this one, Freezing Fun. I mean, look at these critters, aren't they just, oh, look at them, they're so cute. And of course you get the dies to cut them all out. Then you've got this one that I really like called Sweetest Time. I love the font on some of these sentiments. Wishing you the sweetest season, for you with Christmas cheer, and of course matching dies. I love this die here and this one here. I haven't cut them out, but you'll see when I do. They just look lovely on a card as a die cut. Really pretty without having to do any stamping at all. Then I've got this one called Coming Home with all the different houses and of course the matching dies. And this has paper as well, I'll show you soon. Then this, one of my favourites, called Poinsettia Petals. Now this, you can see here, the set here, the images are actually started at 65%. If I open it for you, you can see they're really quite good sized images. And of course they have a beautiful set of dies to go with it. So that's all of them. Then a few other stamp sets, I just had to get more. This one, Christmas Means More. And I love these sentiments with these nice these stamp sets with these lovely big sentiments, but they make for easy cards. Then this one, Wrapped in Christmas, Light Me Home. I like, this is going to be perfect for watercolouring. And this little cute one called Warm and Toasty. I mean, look at him, he's skating. Oh, he's so cute. And look at these little mice playing with the ball. He's your beauty. I love it. Those are really my kind of things. They make small little dinky cards or tags, you know, perfect for children. So we've got this new bow punch here. And of course you have the stamp set to go with it. And then I have one other punch here, which is this one, and this is called the Banners Pick a Punch, and you can make banners in all these different sizes. And then I have a few embossing folders to show you. This one's wrapped in texture and it's a small size, so you've got 2 of them in there. You've got the 2 patterns. And then I've got here Evergreen Forest 3D embossing folder, and I've got these dies that I got separately, and these are Halloween dies. This will actually cut out a bat, and I got it because I really like the shape here of these frames and these other little bits as well. Okay, so that's all my dies, embossing folders and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to move this all aside, and then part 2 I'll show you embellishments and paper, so don't forget to come back for that. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.